Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is David Phelps with My Honest Travel Agent, 770-783-1656. Today we are at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana. This is a one-bedroom presidential diamond club. I'm going to be giving you a lot of information about this room and the differences between this room and the other rooms at this resort. You can see that is that's a very nice jacuzzi there. Lots of nice jets there to, let me get you over on the other side. You see some more jets over there. And it's got the handheld shower there for the next to the faucet. His and her sinks, some bath amenities. You have the signature Royalton shower, rain shower, because they have their own brand that they use there. You got the handheld right here. You have your toilet room. Let's take a look at the safe. The safe, check it out. USB ports, charge while you save. You got a steam iron right there. You can call in and request from housekeeping the normal ironing board, and they'll bring it out to you. Over here, there's the actual iron that can bring the ironing board to you. And here are some bathrobes and some slippers, umbrella, laundry bag. That right there is just an electrical panel. So, presidential suite comes with one king bed. That's it. And if this was just this room, this would be the jacuzzi suite, jacuzzi junior suite. And that can come with a king or two queens. Diamond Club upgrades are the bottle of sparkling wine, all these snacks right here. And then you have an upgraded mini bar as well. That's what your nice beer selection, Coors and Heinekens. So you got the cranberry juice in there, tonic water, and some sodas. You got some waters, some juices, and some chocolate milk over here as well. You have your coffee tea station over here. You have a regular coffee pot, and for Diamond Club guests, you have Cafe Santo Domingo's version of an espresso machine. So, like I said, this right here is a jacuzzi junior suite, if it was just this room. But what makes it presidential is having this room. This room is customizable, okay? And that's upon request. So these people have requested a bed there. It could be a pull-out couch, and it could be a pull-out couch and two rollaways. Maximum occupancy of this is 4 people, no matter what, okay? No matter what configuration you request over here. This room also has its own TV. The TVs have information on room service, you know, the activity schedule of the day, the nightly schedule of the week, spa services. Check it out over here. You have hair dryer and bathroom amenities, and you have another toilet and shower, the rain and the handheld. Safe over here. No bathrobes. I mean, well, you don't need a safe and a bathrobe over here because you're part of the other room. Now, so like I said, this right here can be customizable on the bedding. A pull-out sofa or two rollaways, which is kind of weird having a pull-out and 2 rollaways because that sort of insinuates that you could have 5 people. I'm not really sure why there's a full-size mattress there. That even the sales manager feels that one's a little bit off. But all right, so here's where I'm gonna really boggle your mind, and you might wanna come back and play this video a couple more times, okay? So think about this room configuration right here, okay? Let's get rid of that bed and get rid of that jacuzzi. And let's take this bed, throw it where the jacuzzi's at, throw up a wall. And then over here, we're gonna put a bunk bed that on the bottom bunk is a little bit bigger than the top bunk. Now what you have is a family room, which will sleep 5 people. If you were to take away that jacuzzi, shorten the room a little bit, and do 1 king or 2 queens, then you have the standard junior suite. So, and the bathroom over here stays the same. So that's a little bit about what this resort's rooms are like. Me taking this presidential suite and laying it out to you on what all the different room categories look like. So let's go take a look at your patio. Pretty standard here. And we got guests on the other side, so I'm not going to take a look at that. But the other room, let's go ahead and just look down here. That one has just a little cubby area. So that's coming off where the bed, the one room was, where it has could have the two rollaways and the pull out. So yeah, that's Royalton Splash Punta Cana's rooms. One thing to know about staying here is this is the back part of the property. It's a little bit set back from the beach, but from the front of this to the lobby of the Royalton Punta Cana, it's just a 2-minute walk. They also have a trolley that goes all around, or golf cart, whatever, extended golf cart limo that goes all around to take you up there and back. Splash guests have their own beach club area on the beach, and there are restaurants and snack bars, well, a snack bar and a bar that you can use up there on the beach as well, so you don't have to come all the way back here for that. You can use all the facilities of Royalton Punta Cana except for 2 restaurants. That would be the steakhouse and the Asian restaurant. Those are the 2 that are not included for Royalton Splash guests. But fun resort. Got a couple pools. You got a Diamond Club pool, you got a relaxing pool, and then you have an activities pool. And then of course you have a big water park as well. I'll take a video of that to post that up. So that should be rather interesting. It's a pretty big water park here. Very big selling point. Affordable beach resort that's not really on the beach, but still you can see it has the quality. I noticed in the lobby bar they had Jack Daniels just sitting there in the lobby bar. And that's always a good sign, because whiskey drinkers don't like so much of Jim Beam. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. This is David Phelps, My Honest Travel Agent, 770-783-1656. Please give me a call. Let me see how I can help you with your vacation plans, and maybe even beat the prices that you're seeing yourself. That's me. Have a great day.